Welcome to the wrench press. That was terrible. Just a minute.
No, that was great. Use that.
No, it wasn't. No, I've been working hard in the workout business.
Welcome to the wrench press.
I'm staring at me. He's like, it's making me nervous. Look at me. I'm sweating. It's terrible.
I'm directing.
Stop.
Dude, you're like crying. This is going to end up looking like a hostage video. Look over here and then look and then go, hi, I'm Lenore. Hit it.
Hi, I'm Lenore with Treadmill Heroes, and for the last 14 years we've been working hard in the workout business. Welcome to the wrench press.
Hi, I'm Dane with Treadmill Heroes / Fitness Graveyard. I do service work, refurbish, delivery, assembly, answer emails, phone calls, find parts, move a bunch of Joe's stuff. To start this episode off, Joe and Brandon are concentrating on pulling out a back machine at a local gym.
This is great. We don't have to go very far. We're going right down the street to our friends at Wilton Total Fitness. They wanted to upgrade their converging lat pull down machine. So they picked up this Prestige line, Cybex lat pull down from us. So if you see everyone walking around in Wilton with wide backs, it's because of this sweet Prestige piece of equipment. There goes Danny, giving people some mo jobs today. Well, let's do it.
Not going that far.
No, she'll be all right. Got the lead trainer, Paul E. Faison here, just showing back up to get some more people swolled up. Look at you. Look at you.
This is the man right here. You need fitness equipment, this is the guy to go to. Treadmill Heroes, #1.
That was an unsolicited plug. I love it. I love it. I kind of like this piece, but I gotta assume that's the one we're getting rid of. Alright, Brandon.
I gotta turn on radios here, guys, so I hope they don't interfere right
So, we have to rock that thing back and forth because these rolls of mats are just loose laid. So all that weight, it bunches up the mats. So if you rock it back and forth, it distributes the weight a little bit better and doesn't quite roll them up. But it's really hard to move stuff like that. We'll pull that out of there. It seemed like we made that a lot harder than it had to be, but just so we have video evidence, I'm buying this with these $3, and I'm gonna put it in the thing. In fact, for the proof, then they'll know what it's for.
Hopefully you gave Brandon a bite. Happy late birthday, Katie.
I'm gonna give you your thoughtless $50 right now. Happy birthday, Katie. There you go. There's $50 for you. It is the absolute most I could do. Look at that. Looks like your husband brought you cupcakes and your boyfriend bought you flowers. That's very nice.
No, my daycare provider made me cupcakes.
Your husband brought you the flowers.
My mom brought me those.
Well, what's your husband done for you so far? Nothing.
He bought me a cup.
Well, that was a nice thing for him to do a couple months back.
After refurbishing a bunch of treadmills for Vintage Iron, Joe also wanted me to deliver them. Well, help deliver them.
Finally made it here to Vintage Iron in beautiful Bettendorf, Iowa, the newest gym here in the Quad Cities.
I will say Dane did a lot of work on these. He spent a lot of time. So they're
Okay, as Dane's bringing these in, I want to give a shout out to Dane here. Dane did 90% of the refurbing on these treads, and they turned out fantastic. So, you know, one, props to Dane. If there's any issues, blame Dane.
Great.
We'll go down there. A little more, you think? Yes and no,
So I got a message from Joe here at Treadmill Heroes. I had to say this because honestly, at the end of the day, it's what life's all about, right? Be super duper.
Let's check in with Steph at the trinket shop.
And almost 100 pieces later, and definitely almost, I'd say 500 photos. This is the last of the Fiesta Wear collection. I saved this one for last because it's my favorite piece. This is a Demitas coffee pot that is in the cobalt blue. We finally got the whole collection set, and it's just beautiful. And in this collection, there's some rare pieces. This is only missing the fork. This was a promotional piece. Some one-offers. This one here, they only made for 1 year. Gotta love Fiesta Wear.
Now let's go check out Joe and Brandon working up another sweat.
So today we're delivering to a couple customers. We're delivering this used Life Fitness F3 treadmill and then a brand new Landis treadmill. These are great treads, but you need like a chainsaw to get into the box. Getting my sign down. I've only lost 2 treadmills in the middle of the road before. One time I lost a fold-up treadmill that I had in the back of my truck. I had a fold-up treadmill standing up in the back of my truck, and I lost it on 53rd Avenue in Quad Cities, just right in the middle of the road one morning. So then he loaded it back up and ended up going to the customer's house because there was just some plastic broke on it, but it still worked. So I was like, hey, we kind of banged this up a little bit because it was a used tread. And I was like, do you want us to take it back or just order some parts? He's like, well, if I can still use it, I'll just use it. We're just giving it a proper burial. We'll start with this. We'll start tearing this apart. Once we get this all out, then we'll bring in the new one, okay?
That sounds great.
This one out of there. And he's like, way to do it there. Neat. No,
Okay.
not bad for our first day.
Yeah.
Not bad. And you go to release it, there's a release handle here. But if you just pull on it, there's too much pressure on it, so just push up and then pull it, and then it'll release. Only I think the best workout on a treadmill is to walk at about 2.5 miles an hour at a 10-degree incline.
Recovery. All right.
Sir.
You bet.
Now it's time to work up a sweat as a team.
So today we're here with our friends at the MAC, the Midwest Athletic Club up in the Cedar Rapids area. They've got tons of locations up here. Great organization, great leadership, fantastic facilities, but they, from time to time, have us move some stuff, and that is the case today. We're going all over the place. I think we're gonna hit just about every single gym, and we're gonna rearrange some stuff and shuffle some equipment around, because, well, that's one of the things we do. Pick up and set down heavy stuff. Look at that pot. I hope they're not gonna throw that pot away. I'll take that. And I want that sign. I want that sign. Hang that up in the shop.
Hi, Aaron. Hi, I'm Danny. Yeah, that thing is big. You like go smarter.
Wow. I feel like it's my first day.
Didn't have.
you're ever moving these G3 pieces, just take the time, take the acrylic shroud off. These always break, and pull the weight stack off of the chin dip and the pec fly rear delt. Because I think we have just enough width to get next to that bumper. Ready? You gotta go way up and over her. Oh, there it is. We got a full load. I didn't think we were gonna fit all that, other than the dumbbell racks. Yes. So we gotta come back here anyway, so.
Coffee.
I think it will. Not setting mine down. You're not setting. That was a long walk. That concludes the move into the Big Mac. I would call this the Big Mac. This is the Big Mac. And now we got a lot more run around to do at some of the other locations. But that was a big box to check right there. And I only have a little bit of sweat on my brow.
See you guys next time.
Be super duper.